CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction is it a buy right now, which is 1 minute video till the end to find out. I am the only guy that has actually done in this space, actually like stock option trading, that's done this for 5 years every single day straight. It's done 41,000 videos like these. With that amount of reps and volume, and more so spending tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Even like CRCL's prediction that I got was so on point. Let me show you the proof. Bro, even with the limited amount of data that we got, this is like 20 hours ago. Bro, it's so good. There's no power behind it, and I'm obviously not. If there was no sort of confirmation here, then I'm not going to look to randomly get involved and buy. So all that's left is just me trying to look and double down, because that delivered like a madman. Like, that's beautiful. This is only made like 20 hours ago. So there you go, sitting at just like 344 before the market closed. Even with this, beautiful. And all that to say, that's my demand zone current level. So even on going into the next week, if there is a confirmation, there's nothing stopping me buying more. Very simple, very straight to the point. If you want to learn how to make 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.